nice new toy, you know.
So today we're looking at the
Horizon Granite.
Have some fun with this.
50 miles an hour plus. Let's get the box.
Hey Sarah, what you got?
The Senton, because you know they don't want me driving around with the 70 mile an hour car, so they give me the 30. But yeah, I got the Senton,
Look.
and we're gonna see how it goes.
You sure you put this on the right thing? Nimha? What is that? I don't know what that means.
You have the manual?
Yeah, it's over there. Okay. It's the Senton. The body of it, at least. You know, don't just bash, blast. Already tested it out. Got some battle scars already. Gotta have some challenges to compare the two.
That's fun. Do you have some sort of ramp?
You got it?
I can't. I have a cast on, Fabian.
Okay, well, here you go.
Watch out, Dino! I feel like I'm in Rocket League.
Oh, look! All day long.
Oh my god.
I'm ready.
This is straight on the two.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1. Let me try yours. You try mine.
It's so swirly.
Come here. Look. Ready?
Throwing some rocks. That doesn't sound good. What was that?
Like it's coming up off the wheels is what it is, and then it comes back down and catches.
Whoa! What the?
One pair of pants later.
Somebody lost right there.
I'm in. I got you. Wait, help me over. I got you. You're it though. Oh my god. Help me up. Oh, it's about to die. Then mine's probably dead too.